AUSEK Limited, located in Shenzhen, China, is one of most famous manufacturers for selling cost-effective video products for over 9 years, focusing on R&D and OEM service to our partners. Nowadays, we have a wide range of cost-effective video products, including action camera, dash camera, hunting camera, kids camera, and so on. The products we create must routinely pass international certification standards such as CE, FCC, RoHS, CPC, and so on. Our factory, located in Shenzhen, China, covers an area of 4,500 square meters and has passed ISO 9001, ISO 14001 certification from ITS, and passed BSCI, an FSC certificate, including 500 square meters dust-free workshop, 100 workers, 4 QC team, 4 production lines. Our production lines are geared for achieving quality product and precision builds. Quality control has 4 steps such as incoming material inspection, 100% semi-finished product full inspection, aging full inspection test, packaging and quality checking before shipment to end users, all product 100% pass rate. We continuously invest in advanced testing equipment and staff training to maintain these high standards. Due to our partnership with 500 top global brand, we understand the importance of your needs and product quality control. Our main market are Europe, South American, North America, and Asia. We hope to establish long-term business relationships with the brokers and end users in every corner of the world. Our dedicated team is committed to providing exceptional service and reliable support for all our partners.